Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add borders on your Google Doc. Now it's pretty simple. Now since Google document doesn't allow you to add borders, we need to do it customly through this. Click on over here where it says insert, and from insert click on where it says drawing, and from drawing click on new. Once you click on new, it's going to open up over here. From here click on over here where it says shape and choose where it says square shape and choose square. Once you choose square, just draw a little page size square over here, and from over here what you can do is click on fill. Now, if you want your page to look white, you can choose white. If you want it to look any other color, you can choose it. Now from over here you can choose which color you want the border. So I want the border to be red color, so I will choose red. Once you choose the color, from over here you can choose how big you want the border. So I want the border to be this big, so I will choose 8 pixel. Once you do that, you can click on save and close. Once the save includes, it's going to be available over here. Now once it's available over here, you can just drag it and make sure it's the size of your page. So just like this, keep on dragging until it reaches the border. So just make sure it's the size of that. Once it's according to the size of your page, basically by rearranging it, what you can do is choose this over here where it says behind text. If you choose behind text, it's going to allow you to write text above it in this white part. And for some reason, if it is not letting you extend it to the size of the page, just like as you guys can see, it's not letting me extend it beyond this size over here. For some reason, it's not going up. In that case, what I need to do is click on move with text and click on over here where it says fix position on page. Once I do that, I can make it however big I want, just like this, as you guys can see. So as you guys can see now, I can make it enlarged just like this over here, and I can just fix its position over here just like this as well. You can play around with it, and then you can write on top of it as well. So that's how we guys can add page border on Google Docs. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.